horror, buddy?
Just try not to make any sudden movements or loud noises.
Oh no. So much dust.
He saved you.
Now, it's our turn to save him.